Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the menu and triggering photo mode immediately. On PC, press F5. On consoles, use the in-game photo mode button. Once done, move to cover or a safe spot so monsters don't interrupt you. Make sure to turn off the HUD so nothing overlays the shot. This reveals a clean frame and accurate lighting. Then position Geralt or the target roughly where you want them to be while you switch to the free camera for precise framing. Now you focus on composition. Use the free camera controls to pan, tilt, and zoom until the subject sits on a strong focal point. Once positioned, lock the subject so movements won't ruin framing, then tweak depth of field and aperture to blur background or sharpen details. These settings simulate lens behavior and change perceived distance. After that, adjust focal length for perspective and apply filters or exposure tweaks. Make small changes and preview them. Subtle shifts often yield the most cinematic results. Finally, finish your image by fine-tuning color grading, vignetting, and grain until the mood matches your intent. Use multiple snapshots to compare variations. Save several versions and export the highest resolution available. Remember, consoles may cap output differently than PC. If you plan to create a collection, organize files immediately to avoid losing edits. If something goes wrong, reset photo mode or reload a quick save. This clears camera lockups or HUD glitches, so you can re-enter cleanly and repeat the same steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.